the Rangers converted a rare 5-4 triple play in the fourth inning of Texas' 8-6 victory over the Los Angeles Angels on Thursday night. With the bases loaded, Rangers third baseman Jurickson Profar replacing the injured Adrian Beltre made a hard stop on a hard grounder by Angels second baseman David Fletcher. Profar then stepped on the third, labeled the runner who had been in third place, Taylor Ward, and threw Rougned Odor in the second to drive out right fielder Kole Calhoun. It was the third triple play 5-4 in the expansion era since 1961. The White Sox did it on September 18, 2006, against the Tigers, and the Phillies did it on September 12, 2007, against the Rockies. It was also the first triple play for the Rangers since May 20, 2009, and the sixth in its history. It was the first Major League triple play without removing the batter since June 3, 1912.